Rigo here, making a video of most mistakes affiliate marketers have when they first start, or things they should focus on. 8 things they should be focusing on. Okay. Number one, making videos on YouTube, because YouTube is a perfect platform to start. Because Facebook and TikTok and Instagram are good too, but I like YouTube. Number two, your story, your personal story, reasons why you start. Number three, sharing what are you doing, how you do it, what you're doing. Number four, your struggles, your victories. Number five, learn something, do it, teach it. I mean, if it works for you, it'll work for someone else. Call for action, always, an offer. And give a freebie. So you can, to build your list. Always build your list. And the follow-up. Look at this bad spelling here. These are like the main 8 things you should be doing, concentrating on. Again, making videos for YouTube, your story, why you started. I started in 2019 because, I'm a construction worker, carpenter for 35 years. Wanted to find something easier, more better, more, because, you kill your body, share what you're doing, all your, when you learn how to, do the emails, or you find a new site, whatever you're doing, show it. Your struggles, your pain, all the things that, I have struggles. I mean, like learning how to do, funnels, but now I'm learning, and I can do my own capture pages, and I do my own lead magnet by myself. I've learned from Lee's Leap how to do that. Learn, do, and teach. When you learn something new, do it, and then teach it. And the call to action is always the offer. And the freebie, learn, how to do an opt-in page so you can give something for free, cheat sheet, a guide. I have a guide for all these with this same scenario in it, all these 8 things, for beginners, how to start, what you should be focusing on, what you should be doing. This is like a traffic. I'm gonna show you this right here. I got traffic in here. I get traffic all the time. This traffic ad bar. You can it's awesome. You can learn, earn points. But right here, you just click on this. Oops, I gotta wait. 580. So once it's over here, when it ends, then you click here. You watch the next one, and then every time you'll get points. See, I got 25 points. I got 29 hits. I am a member of this, and I get free traffic. Just like here, this right here, I get free traffic from here too. That is awesome too. I'll put these two on the description right here, and then this is like a rotator right here. I got all this in here. Some of the visits I've gone here. I got these visits. Oh, I think they're. You see, on here. If I want to, add some. Let me see. Oops, long way. Been a while. Okay, add hits. I already forgot. Can you add it? Sorry, I haven't been in here like in 2 weeks. I already forgot already. Jeez. These are my credits are left over right here. I just added 2,000, and I got all these in here. So I just gotta add on more, more credits, so I can get right here. This is a good thing right here. I got 8,000. Let me give 5,000 more. There's wrong. Yeah, and your mistakes. Always show your mistakes. I got 5,000. This is lead lightning. Those lead leaps. Okay, and another thing right here, beginners. You know what I mean? Remember, one audience. Always one audience. Solve one problem one simple offer to help them. Try to keep that always one audience. You know, you two will find your audience. Just make videos at least twice a week or once a week. Make a video. Yeah, I got to do that too. I keep on. I was going to promote a lot on Instagram, but again, one audience, one problem, one simple offer, to help them in one sentence. It could be, cheat sheet, a guide, something you learned, something like emails or some traffic source, anything, whatever. Here's right here's Lead Sleep. I get free traffic all the time. Right here, when you're beginning, you gotta you get no eyeballs to your links, whatever you're promoting, you won't get no sales. You got to or make videos or pay traffic or get all these free sites that you can post in. Most of the sites I'm in, I pay for. Like I get in like really cheap, and when they go on sale, something that'll go on sale, and I'll get it cheaper. That's why I wait for it, and I get all this traffic. I mean, you can see here, I've gotten nine, was it 9,311 real visits here. Here I got these visits here, 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 and I've gotten sales, and I got emails. People got my email list. Sorry, I just want to touch base on that. Keep yourself focused. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe, and all the links will be on in the description. Thank you. Next time.